Welcome to Essence Electroverse YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to calibration side tank of a undying machine. So here is our Sedomat 2500 controller, and this is our side tank. So first of all, I will go in settings options and select the Niviomet calibration. Niviomet 1 is main tank and Niviomet 3 is our side tank. So I click the number 3 and our set point is 1000. So you can see in upside in on the right side the input value, which is increasing and decreasing. This is decimal number. So I click the start button to starting the calibration process. Now the side tank water is filling. After filling the full process, it's automatically execute the level of water. Just I'm noticing the water level is increasing in side tank. Keep eyes on input value. The input value is increasing. It will take some time, moments to calibration. Just wait with patience. We are almost close now. Um, okay, the 10,000 decimal number is counted. Now I will click the stop button and confirm the water level is 100%. And after I ensured the 100% water level, I click execute and save calibration values, yes. And now close the this portion and going to machine drawing side. You can see the middle uh, side is 100%. Now I am drain some waters and filling to ensure the 100% level is okay. You can see the 100% level is okay. Thanks for watching this video with patience.